Hello everyone friends on the Weiler channel. Today I will show you how to reinstall Steam. To begin with, here's my shortcut. You need to find out the location of the file to be manually deleted. I right click file location. Here we have such a thing as uninstalling. Well, that is uninstall.exe is a complete uninstall. Launch it, click yes, and accordingly simply delete Steam. This is the first way. It will remove Steam completely, but it may not delete the library. The library is located in Steam Apps Common, and this is your library of games. That's it. These things are separate. That is, you need to remember this because Steam is just a means of launching the game. The game is downloaded to your computer like a library. That's the first way. The second way to go to Start, Settings, Applications, Installed Applications, and accordingly write Steam here. Click on the three dots, click Delete. Here, the next thing to do is to download it. To do this, go to the browser and write Steam here, click Install Steam and click Install Steam. For example, we download an exe file, we open it. Click Next, select the language, Next, and install. And accordingly, Steam is rebooting because it was not open. But in general, this is a reset. That's all. Weiler was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel, wait for completion, and that's it. Bye everyone.